Hello guys, today in this video we are going to tell you how to cancel your DVD chat AI subscription. Okay, so first of all what you have to do, you need to make sure where you have originally purchased your subscription. If you have purchased your subscription on your Android device, you can follow method 1. If you have purchased your subscription on your iPhone device, you need to follow second method. So for Android user, first of all you need to open your Play Store. You need to tap on your profile icon. You will see your this kind of options. You need to click payment and subscription. Now you need to click subscription. Now you need to find your app, DVD app, and then you need to follow the on screen instructions and you can cancel it. Okay, and if you have purchased your subscription on your iPhone, what do you have to do? You need to open your iPhone settings and then you need to tap on your Apple ID. And when you click on Apple ID, you need to select subscription. Now you need to select your app and then you can follow on screen instructions and you can cancel it very easily. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.